India's self-declared philosopher of confusion, Rahul Gandhi, once again embarked on his favorite PhD project, damaging the credibility of India's reputed institutions. This time, the target was IIT Delhi. Apparently, the RSS, which already runs shakhas, schools, and the occasional conspiracy in Rahul's mind, has now captured PhD seats too. Yes.
सर मेरा भाई IIT दिल्ली में PhD कर रहा है. उसके किसी दोस्तों को पता चल गया कि वो PhD में IIT दिल्ली पहुंच गया, उससे दोस्ती तोड़ दिया सर. ना बात करना ना कुछ.
क्यों?
क्योंकि तुम IIT कैसे पहुंच गए, तुम छोटे जात के हो. ये रियलिटी है सर. सर इनफैक्ट सर PhD में सीट कम हो रहा है. कुछ ही समुदाय का सर एडमिशन हो रहा है क्योंकि वो RSS से नाम पहले आ जाता है सर. आपका सर नेट नहीं है, JRF नहीं है, फिर भी एडमिशन होगा क्योंकि
आपको लग रहा है ना कि RSS में से पूरा कैप्चर हो गया.
RSS में से पूरा कैप्चर हो गया.
You heard that right. The student is alleging caste bias in the IIT admission process, and the other man, who wants to be India's Prime Minister, is cleverly egging him on. Not just that, the student is insinuating that the RSS bypasses the PhD candidate selection process by directly nominating their own people instead of correcting him or at least demanding proof. Rahul Gandhi gives the conspiracy theory a tacit nod. This makes no sense at all unless you try connecting the dots. The Karnataka Congress recently announced plans to ban the RSS. Since Congress knows it's not coming back to power, it's decided to take the whole country down with it, one conspiracy theory at a time. The grand old party has decided to play dirty, and their most powerful weapon is, hold your breath, caste.
सुमित भाई, हमारे शेड्यूल कास्ट के लोगों के पास ब्रह्मास्त्र है. अगर रास्ते में चलते हुए जनरल कास्ट के लोग को ये कह दूं ना मैं, भाई तुमने मेरे को ये ऐसे क्यों बोलिया, उनको ने क्या बोलिया, झूठा मैं कह दूंगा तेरे को, मेरे तो चमार कह दिया, हरिजन कह दिया, ढेड कह दिया, तो उसकी जांच पास होनी हो, मुकदमा दर्ज करवाऊंगा 24 घंटे में अंदर.
The Congress has decided to wield the Brahmastra of caste politics and force the government's hand to make policies that are not just dumb but destructive. So while the banter between Rahul Gandhi and the scheduled caste students may sound hilarious, the humor in it is only superficial because underneath the absurdity of the narrative is a well thought out, sinister game plan for the total annihilation of Hindu society.